In this video, learn how you can copy file onto a folder on Windows 11 machine. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Edmond Sakwadi. In this video, I'll show you how you can copy a file onto a folder on your Windows 11 machine. If you are new to this channel and you are not yet subscribed, then click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you do not miss our new video. To start, I have a folder on my desktop. To copy the file, I open the folder, then I locate the file on my download folder. So I click on it. Then I locate the file that I want to copy onto the folder. This is the file. I right click on the file. Then I click on copy. Then I open the folder and paste the file onto the folder by clicking paste button. Now I have pasted the file onto the folder. Thank you. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And tap the bell icon so that you do not miss our next video. Thank you for watching.